Before and after photos from using the daily range plus the facial hyperpigmentation kit, formulated for skin of colour. This is a facial hyperpigmentation kit. This is HPC Clear, the high strength tyrosinase inhibiting cream. And this is Vita Ace. It accelerates cell turnover so you get faster results. 2 hours before bed, you apply your HPC Clear just to the pigmented areas. In this airless pump, it comes out very yellow. Let's do this 2 hours before bed, so that it absorbs into my skin and not into the sheets. For me, my freckles were here. It never really spread, but just to make sure, I do my forehead too. Very thin layer, and I only use my fingertips, so I'm not wasting any product. I do this for 2 nights, followed by my Cera Pep Brightening Moisturiser. This way I'm sealing in all my actives. The thing I love about our Cera Pep are the ceramides, peptides, and stem cells. It also helps with my anti-aging. My skin always feels so hydrated. My favourite step really is the Cera Pep. For 2 nights I apply the HPC Clear, but on the 3rd night I apply our Vita Ace. And I apply this again to the pigmented areas. I think it's important to know that it takes about 6 cell cycles to start to see results. So that means 6 months. So do this for a minimum of 6 months, but ideally for a year. Please do email me with your results because it makes me so happy, and please send in photos too.